Every day in India, millions of stories unfold. Some inside hospitals, where families wait anxiously for good news. Others on the streets, where sanitation workers risk their lives to keep our cities running. Different people, different struggles, but one truth connects them all. Everyone deserves safety, dignity, and care. Cancer enters a family's life without warning. More than 13 lakh Indians are diagnosed every year, many facing late detection, long travel for treatment, and financial strain even before their treatment begins. In India, the fight against cancer is not just a medical challenge. It's a social, emotional, and economic one. Recognizing this, BPCL partnered with the Indian Cancer Society to build a comprehensive cancer care program that supports people through screening, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. This support reaches patients across more than 10 government and charitable hospitals, including Tata Memorial Centre, Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute, Christian Medical College Vellore, Sri Shankara Cancer Hospital, Kailash Cancer Hospital, and others. Here, families of low-income backgrounds receive assistance for chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgeries, investigations, medicines, and post-treatment care.
2 साल पहले ब्रेन ट्यूमर का सर्जरी हुआ था, तो फर्दर और कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस थे, तो मैं टाटा मेमोरियल में मेरा इलाज चालू किया है। तो यहाँ की फैसिलिटीज़ काफ़ी अच्छी है, यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, और डॉक्टर्स लोगों ने मेरे पुराने 2 साल के पूरे रिपोर्ट्स अच्छी तरह स्टडी करने के बाद ही मुझे ट्रीटमेंट शुरू किया है। आई एम बिकमिंग मोर बेटर एंड बेटर एवरी डे.
Doctors at these hospitals witness the impact firsthand. The relief on a mother's face when she can continue her child's treatment. The confidence families gain when they know they won't have to stop midway due to financial burden.
Overall in India, something like we will see around 14 lakhs cancer patients, and 2/3 of them will require radiation in their lifetime somewhere. We'll give them radiation for cure to palliation. At this point of time in Tata Memorial Hospital, on each linear accelerators we treat approximately 1,000 patients per year, and we are grateful to BPCL. They have given a huge help in terms of donating one linear accelerator. We are really indebted to BPCL for helping us to improve the conditions of our patient and cure these patients on this linear accelerator, which are the workhorse in our department.
For many, this support is not just financial aid. It is the continuity and strength they need to stay in treatment when giving up may have felt like the only option. Over the last year alone, hundreds of patients have been supported through ICS. And across BPCL's wider cancer care interventions, more than 1.5 lakh individuals have been reached through screening drives, early detection efforts, treatment assistance, and rehabilitation.
In 2024, Tata Memorial Centre registered about 129,000 new cancer patients, which is a little under 10% of all the cancer patients in India. We are delighted that we have partnered with BPCL through their CSR in bringing relief and treatment to thousands of patients in many of our units. In Tata Memorial Hospital, about 7,000 patients receive radiotherapy for their cancer, and I'm delighted to share that BPCL facilitated the installation of a linear accelerator for this treatment.
For patients living far from major hospitals, access to experts was once a distant possibility. Today, through BPCL's partnership with Tata Memorial Centre on the Navya platform, people across India can receive expert oncologist opinions online, enabling timely decisions and reducing delays that once cost lives. From screening camps in small towns to advanced treatment in leading hospitals, BPCL's initiatives ensure that patients and families are not alone in their fight. Because every individual deserves the opportunity to heal. Every family deserves hope, and every life holds value.
Once one hears about someone known to you suffering from cancer, it really sends shockwaves through the minds, and the entire family suffers not knowing what the future holds for them. And this is how we actually got ourselves associated with Tata Memorial Center at Parel. Patients from across the country are flocking to TMC, and there is a lot of pressure being built on the TMC. The patients, the relatives who come along with them, they had no place to even spend their nights or accommodation, and that's how one more thought came into our minds when we supported the 200-bedded hospital in Visakhapatnam, which is also an aspirational district, and that would take care of the patient and one of their relatives who can come there and stay during the entire period of the treatment.
For over 5 decades, BPCL's energy has powered India's growth, lighting homes, energizing industries, and supporting everyday life. But true progress is not just about energy. It is about empathy, responsibility, and the belief that safety and dignity are fundamental human rights and a social justice imperative. Across India, thousands of sanitation workers have risked their lives to clean manholes and sewers. Despite bans on manual entry, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and recent NHRC observations highlight that fatalities still occur each year, often because workers were sent into toxic sewers without essential safety gear. These are not just accidents, they are preventable tragedies. That is why a new kind of transformation was needed, one built on safety, technology, and shared responsibility. Developed by Gen Robotics, the Bandicoot robot is India's first AI-powered robot for manhole and sewer cleaning. And through BPCL's Project Ankur, this innovation has been strengthened and scaled through a unique tripartite partnership. Municipalities determined to end unsafe manual entry, a robotic startup leading engineering excellence, and BPCL enabling deployment with the same intensity that fuels India's energy mission.
मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ बैंडिकोट रोबोट के बारे में, जो एक मैनहोल सफाई के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। ये रोबोट काफ़ी कंजेस्टेड छोटी जगह पर आराम से चला जाता है। इसके छोटे होने की वजह से ये किसी भी जगह पर किसी भी तरह के मैनुअल को आसानी से साफ़ कर सकता है। ये मात्र 30 से 40 मिनट में एक मैनुअल को साफ़ करने के लिए सक्षम है।
Built for precision and safety, the Bandicoot eliminates the need for human entry. It can clean up to 12 manholes a day, reducing operational time, cost, and most importantly, the life-threatening risk workers have faced for generations.
पहिलं मॅन्युअलमध्ये उतरायला लागायचं, त्याच्यामुळे श्वास घ्यायला तकलीफ व्हायची, त्यामुळे वेगवेगळे आजार व्हायचे, त्वचा रोग अशा प्रकारचे आजार व्हायचे. आता रोबोट आल्यामुळे आतमध्ये उतरायला नाही भेटत.
With BPCL's CSR support, multiple urban sanitation departments are shifting to a safer, smarter, more humane way of working. Municipal leaders have witnessed firsthand how this innovation is redefining the very idea of sanitation work, from one of danger to one of dignity.
Many people are dying in these manholes due to lot of gases were coming, many accidents were happening. So that time, it was a requirement, and in our BPCL we have got a project Ankur that we start lot of startups. When one startup has come for the solution of this Bandicoot robotic machine, they have developed this machine. This machine is helping everybody. Now people no need to go inside the manholes. This machine can take care of this job. Whatever job they were doing in daytime, it can do in 1 hour, 2 hours.
Just as safety and dignity are extended to those working behind our streets, the same commitment helps protect lives inside hospitals, ensuring patients receive timely care and the chance to recover and move forward. From Muzaffarpur to Mumbai, from sanitation work to cancer care, the focus remains consistent: improving safety, health, and dignity for people. Whether it is energy that supports daily life, technology that protects essential workers, or medical support for families during difficult times, the work is driven by real needs on the ground. That is the approach BPCL follows, and the work it continues every day.